Today at Ultimate Motors with 2020 Toyota RAV4. Let's do a quick walk around. Has heated front seats and heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It is all-wheel drive. It has lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, collision assist, and more. Backup camera, rain sensing wipers with heating so you can prevent ice buildup when it's cold outside. Automatic high beams, and more. Let's take a look inside. It does have keyless entry. Tap there to lock. Pull to unlock. On the left side, your 4 automatic windows, child lock, your lock and unlock buttons, and switches to adjust your side of your mirrors. And right here, your brightness for your odometer, navigation and climate control buttons, automatic high beams, rain sensing wipers with ice control for the wipers as well, heated steering wheel. This button opens your trunk. Farther below, you have a button for the hood, a latch for the hood, and a latch for the gas cap. A little bit of storage up top. You have a storage compartment for your glasses. Sunroof open and close, up or down vent, reading lights, dome lights, and door lights. In the center, you have a SOS button for emergencies. Let's start it up. Buttons on the left side show the center digital screen. Now your speed. Go down for eco, average fuel economy, and distance to empty. Going right, you have your radar cruise control and lane assist. Audio, you have FM, you can hit OK for source, switch between them. Go back. Moving on to the right, you have trip info, tire pressure, lane tracking assist, collision assist, blind spot monitoring, stop sign recognition, etc. Down below your vehicle settings. Right now there's no messages or warnings available. Back to the main menu, speed and eco, etc. See, you have lights up in the center for lane keep assist and blind spot monitoring. More buttons on the right side are cruise control for zoom and set, increase, decrease speed, radar guided, skipping and going back to a song, and mode for the speakers and audio. The center screen, controlled by the buttons on the side, or with your hand, it is touchscreen. Now you have the home screen, latest car information, such as miles per gallon, range, your phone info is connected, as well as music info. We got a menu, and audio. You have your presets, little album art, name. We go to source. It has AM, FM, and satellite radio, USB capability, as well as audio, Bluetooth. Station list, more music information. Go back to menu. We have phone. Right now there's not one connected. This car does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can go to apps. It doesn't need an update, but you can get more apps through the center Toyota command screen. Excuse me. Projection for your phone. As said before, it's not connected. Info for the car. Vehicle alert history. And then setup. Going farther below, your climate control buttons. It is dual zone. We can sync it. Fan speed, front defrost, rear defrost, eco heating and cooling, directional settings, recirculation, etc. Button for your AC. Further below, traction control off, heated seats for the driver and passenger. This turns off automatic start stop. More storage down below, 12-volt outlet, as well as a USB cable, USB port for your USB cable. Further below, electronic parking brake and brake hold on a hill. Has different drive modes as well. We'll go over these. First, you have Eco. There's normal, sport, snow mode on or off, mud and sand, turns off all your safety controls and safety features for off-road use, rock and dirt, back in the normal, etc. Continuing on below, 2 cup holders. Car does come with both keys. Open the center console up. Storage, as well as 2 USB charging outlets. This RAV4 does have a backup camera as well. Put the car in reverse. Turning lines, adjust the bar, guiding, different camera angles as well. This car does have a Wi-Fi hotspot as well. We can check out the back seats. Then you have vents for climate control, 2 more charging outlets on the bottom. Let's open up the trunk. It also has a height adjustable tailgate. You can adjust where it wants to open or close. All weather floor mats, tethering hooks on either side. These seats do fold down in a 60-40 split. Spare tire, jack and tools. Storage, 12-volt outlet. Let's pop open the hood. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at ultimatemotorsva.com or on Facebook at Ultimate Motors VA. Thank you.